Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Poco F8 Ultra. As you've seen on the channel, I recently introduced the Redmi K90 Pro Max, the Chinese version of this device. They're not exactly the same. The exterior looks identical, but there are some small hardware differences inside which I'll show and discuss in the video. And Poco, in the beginning, was like that too. It had more of that flagship killer vibe, right? Devices that had really good performance. Who doesn't remember the Poco F1, man? That was wild. A sales hit. A low-cost device that dominated. Really good, honestly, but unfortunately, over time, Poco started going up, right? Little by little going up. The price is going up. Today, it's a very expensive device that competes with top models, but it's lost its original identity as a flagship killer. I don't know the current price in Brazil as I published this video. At launch, it was about 5,000 or 6,000 reais, which is very expensive for this device. It should have come at a price to really compete, really destroy the competition, right? It should cost, at most, up to around 4,000. Above that, I already think it's a bit too much. But anyway, if there's any link to buy it already in Brazil, I'll leave it here in the video description, always looking for the best prices, okay? I'll also leave here the link to my deals and coupons groups, which I share almost every day. Some deals there. When cool deals come up, I go there and post them for you too. If you're low on cash, you can enter the giveaway for this Black 16 Hankong 512 version I'm holding. This giveaway will be held exclusively for members of the very important person groups on WhatsApp and Telegram. So grab the link here in the description, whether it's for WhatsApp, Telegram, or the WhatsApp broadcast channel as well. I always share the same information over there. And don't forget to join, all right? And also, guys, before we start the video, go ahead and leave a like so you don't forget, and check if you're subscribed to the channel and have the notification bell on. And if you can share this video, that would really help a lot, all right? Here's our unboxing initial review and first impressions of the new Poco F8 Ultra. Let's start the video and cue the opening music. Starting the unboxing, a traditional black Poco box with the model of the device highlighted, also mentioning Bose, who developed the audio for this device. The side label shows the product version. Opening the box, we have an envelope with the SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide, a warranty certificate, a silicone case, and a charging and data transfer cable. USB Type-A on one end, USB Type-C on the other, and below is the smartphone. And the version that's sold here in Europe unfortunately doesn't come with a charger in the box, but the version you'll buy in Brazil will already include a charger inside the box. It supports up to 100 watts of power. Also, there's one more small detail. It supports wireless charging at 50 watts and reverse wireless charging, meaning it can provide power to other wireless devices at 22.5 watts. That's really awesome. Now, with the device already in hand, all set up, we have a beautiful active matrix organic light emitting diode screen, man. It's 6.59 inches, a big screen. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, over 68 billion colors, high dynamic range, 10 Dolby Vision support, and a maximum brightness of 3,500 nits. It feels great, weighs 218 grams, and is 7.9 millimeters thick. This matte black looks great, classic. And the Buzzy logo by the cameras looks amazing. It definitely deserves that nice pat on the back. On the right side, the power button and volume up and down. On the top, stereo sound output. Nothing on the left side. And on the bottom, the SIM tray. Dual nano SIM 5G microphone, USB-C, and stereo sound output. Let's start by talking about the artificial intelligence that comes pre-installed on it, which is Xiaomi Hyper. AI already comes with Gemini as a personal assistant. You'll also find AI-generated writing, AI-made wallpapers, translation, interpreter, and subtitles. And of course, there are also those photo editing features that are working perfectly well. You need to log into your Xiaomi account to access them. Look how amazing this is, man. It does a perfect job. No one can tell I removed a chimney from the photo. That's awesome. And now let's move on to the 6500 mAh silicon carbon battery. The global version has a slightly lower capacity battery than the Chinese version. That's one of the differences between the devices, but the performance remains top-notch. The device lasts all day without needing a recharge. If you use the device with the screen on for 8, 10, or 12 hours a day, you may need to charge it by day's end depending on the time. The battery is performing well. Now let's test the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. Nanometers hitting there, guys. 3,830 temperature points, 407 degrees, losing 6% battery. Now let's run some footage playing Call of Duty Mobile with it. You can see that I set the graphics, everything to the maximum. It's at the highest quality available, and you can see it runs smoothly, no problems at all. Very fluid, really, really good, man. The processor is something you won't need to worry about. This guy here is the top of the line on the market, so forget it. It's going to run everything without any problems, without any difficulty for a long, long time. It has IP68 certification resisting submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Still, like I always say, be careful. Protection. For the operating system, we have Xiaomi HyperOS 3 running with Android 16 on the device. We also have near-field communication connection and, of course, Android Auto working perfectly since this is the official global version. You won't have any issues with that. Both the ultrasonic fingerprint and facial unlock are very fast. There are only two versions. There's a 12GB RAM, 256GB storage model, and a 16GB RAM, 512GB storage model, which I have. It doesn't support memory expansion, but allows 2 eSIMs. In other words, you can use 2 5G nano SIM cards and 2 eSIMs, but you can only have 2 connections active at the same time. Either 2 5G nano SIM cards or 2 eSIMs, or 1 nano SIM card and 1 eSIM, but only 2 connections can be active at the same time. And now let's go to its audio and video test. Let's go, guys. Audio and video test of the Poco F8 Ultra. Here we have 2160p quality. Let's also turn the brightness all the way up and the volume to the max as well, guys. It's really loud. I'm going to use pinch here.
I feel good. You look great. I like you. I can't wait. Our first time, our first day.
You can feel this speaker vibrating, okay? In fact, it's functional, it's active.
So catch me if I fall.
Look at how its bass is. It hits much smoother like this, but you can tell it's a very good quality bass. Guys, the audio and image are spectacular. This screen is the most beautiful thing in the world. Really strong brightness, really good, very intense colors, very vivid, and the saturation is also very well balanced. And the audio speaks for itself, man. This Bose audio really makes all the difference. It's very loud, very clear, and very powerful. You can really feel its presence. Very clean audio, really awesome. And really, the volume is way above what you're used to seeing in other smartphones on the market. Okay, Xiaomi did a great job. Its audio is amazing. Now let's start talking about the cameras. On the front, we have a 32 megapixel camera recording at a maximum resolution of 4K at 30 FPS. Let's take some photos and videos and return soon. Here's the Poco F8 Ultra's front camera at 4K 30 FPS. I've got my umbrella here because it's raining. The rain won't stop. I needed to come do this because it's taking too long already. I'm going to take it off quickly. The device has protection, okay, but I don't. We're recording in 4K 30, the highest resolution on the Poco F8 Ultra. It's still raining here, walking a bit, so you can see the stabilization, which apparently is very good. We don't have high dynamic range here, at least it doesn't seem like we do. When I cast my own shadow, it picks up more over there, and everything turns white here. Anyway, this is 4K 30 on the Poco F8 Ultra front camera. For you guys, very detailed. All right, how is it looking? The waterfall is strong and there's lots of rain, but we're together. Thanks, everyone. I found the front camera excellent with great video stabilization and image resolution. I just wish it had high dynamic range for 4K video on the front camera. Now let's check out the back, which features 3 50 megapixel cameras, a main with optical image stabilization and ultra-wide, and a periscope camera. Telephoto with 5x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom, all of this recording at 8K 30 FPS. Let's take some photos and videos with the rear cameras, then come back to share our final thoughts and wrap up. here, guys, right by the river. Literally, the current is getting stronger and now a lot of rain. I've been trying to record with this device for over a week, but it keeps raining. Even now with the umbrella, it's still raining. It's just a drizzle now, so I decided to take advantage and record since it's not heavy rain. The Poco F8 Ultra supports up to 8K resolution at 30 FPS. Let's see, here we can zoom in up to 6x with stabilization at 8K 30, very good, very good. Coming back here now to 1x, let's walk a little so you can see the stabilization. It stabilizes really well. I'm holding it with just one hand, the other hand is holding the umbrella, and the other hand is holding the device. But look at that, really good, right? Excellent video quality. Guys, can you still see it? It's there because of this little drizzle. Okay, it looks like it's, how is it? I'll explain. There's a mist up there, right? From the houses, from the buildings over there, but it's just the drizzle, right? It interferes with the quality of what we're seeing here, right? Because it really looks like a curtain of smoke over there that surrounds everything, but it's just the wonderful drizzle. Let's lower it to 4K now and see if we can get different results here. Now guys, I have ultra stabilization turned on and it automatically drops it to 2.8K 30 FPS. I can't record 4K at either 30 or 60 with this ultra stabilization, okay? We're here at 2.8K 30 FPS. We also have the zoom, which we can use up to 6 times a nice zoom as well. Really good. Let's go back here now. And all of this is super hyper ultra stable. Guys, the device is shaking a lot. It really feels like I'm holding a gimbal in my hand. Very good, very good. I'll give you the results. Rear camera of the Poco F8 Ultra, awesome, guys. The rear cameras are excellent, really good, 8K with stabilization, and I really liked it. It's amazing. I thought the quality was excellent. But anyway, comment below what you think about its rear cameras. Now here's my final summary with the positive points in my view. Processor, battery, 100W, turbo, 50W, wireless charging. Big 6.9-inch active matrix organic light emitting diode display with stunning brightness and colors, plus stereo sound featuring Bosch's signature quality. The audio is really top-notch, and the cameras, especially the rear ones, I also liked a lot. As for the negative points, in my opinion, its front camera could have been a little better. And its price, which is way off, man. The price is way higher than what this device should really cost to be able to crush the competition. As I said at the start, I want your opinion. Comment below what you thought of the device and the video. Did you like it or not? Leave your like, leave your dislike. It's no problem at all. Leave your comment too, which is really important. And before you leave, check if your subscription to the channel hasn't been removed by YouTube. Also, tap the notification bell to stay updated and share to help out. All right, we're in this together, guys. Thank you all so much. God bless you. A big hug and see you next time. Thanks. I'm out.